Hey guys, Assalamualaikum ever. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will find. May love bless you in this beautiful video. I hope you will like it. This my unique soul very interested or very pretty ideas. I hope you will like it. Has an amazing collection. Will you carry and this very beautiful. I hope you will like it. This collection all very pretty and very beautiful, all amazing collection. This stone amazing craft ideas in the Halloween decorations. I hope you will like it. And this my unique all very different styling. Will you enjoy or like it? And that's my unique all very different. Hope you will enjoy my unique all very decent styling and very different collection. Inshallah you can enjoy. That's very fantastic. All my beautiful and different collections ideas. And viewers of this Halloween decorations and beautiful and amazing styling. Hope you will like it. And friend, that's very beautiful, amazing. And friend, that's very beautiful. I like that. Frame decorations, Halloween decorations, and we have also these very beautiful ideas. And frame this very beautifully. And these very beautiful ideas. And friends. So their selection are very interested all ideas. Would you like it? And this very beautiful, amazing. And frame this beautifully.